Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the screen lock in this device. So in this device till now I didn't set any screen lock. You can see just swipe up, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to set the screen lock in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. Here you can see the option security and privacy. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option device unlock. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option screen lock. Then you can see some types of screen lock: none, swipe, pattern, pin, password. So these are the secured screen lock, pattern, pin and password. So here I am going to set a screen lock pin. Tap on the option pin. So here we need to you can see one message: pin must be at least 4 digit, but a 6 digit pin is recommended for added security. So simply here I am going to enter a 4 digit screen lock. Tap on next. Again confirm the pin. Tap on confirm. Then you can see on the lock screen feature, you can see here how do you want the lock screen to display. Show all notification content. When you lock the device, if you want to show all the notification on the lock screen, then you need to select this one. If you want to show sensitive content only when locked, then you can select this one. If you want to don't show notification at all, then you have to select this one. So simply here I am going to select this one. Then tap on done. Now let me show you how it works. Now lock the device, try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the screen lock. Enter the screen lock, it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.